So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an account private on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, go into your profile area. So for me right now, I'm on my profile page, but let's just say you're on, the search bar, for example, or if you're on the home page, make sure you go to the bottom right here and press on your profile to get to your profile. And then once you're on your profile, simply press on where it says edit profile. So right above Threads and below followers, press on edit profile, then go to where it says private profile. For me now, I actually am private, so that's why this bar is highlighted. But if I were to press, this bar again, it actually means that you're public. Now, if you want to make your account private, simply just turn this on, press on done, and there you go. That is how you guys can make an account private here on Threads. I hope this video helped.